We have the GL550 on the lift, and let's take a closer look at the underbody. And I know for those of you that saw your vehicle, 5-year-old vehicle on the lift that you use here in New England, it looks way different. This is very, very clean, very, very dry. Yes, there's some road dust. We haven't detailed it, but it still looks absolutely amazing from the rust standpoint. There's absolutely no rust. All the areas, all the hardware is just 100% rust-free. And since we're under the vehicle, we're going to mention there are absolutely no oil leaks of any kind from any of the components. Things look nice and dry. Exhaust looks nice and solid. And we're going to continue with the underbody inspection. You can see these hardware pieces. That's a good example because, again, usually around here in New England, after a couple of years on the road, it just all looks rusty. And why would you be concerned with the rust under the vehicle? You don't really look at it all that often. Probably most drivers don't look at it ever. But rust causes damage. It causes damage to brake lines, fuel lines, hardware, not to mention it can cause damage to the electrical connectors. It even causes damage, not the rust, but the harsh environment causes damage to rubber parts. And it's certainly things like this cross member. There's absolutely no rust. On the vehicles from around here, we need to be careful, and we always inspect them, and often we find out that the rust originates on the inside of the cross members. And then, of course, the ease of maintenance. It's much easier to work on the hardware that hasn't been exposed to rust. So the underbody of this GL looks spectacular. We already covered details like tires, brakes, so make sure you check out our detailed video of this GL550 that we did in our detailing shop. Thank you very much for watching this video from AlphaCars. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and please let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking the like button. My name is Dimitri, and until next time.